In tonight's 7 UpFront report, we're taking a closer look at saving the lives of people who overdose on drugs. One very effective tool is NARCAN, which can treat a narcotic overdose in an emergency situation. Joining me now to talk more about this is Julie Brenner, who's the president and CEO of the Alliance of Coalitions for Health Communities. Good to talk to you again, Julie. Thank you for being here.
Thanks, Glenda.
Well, let's begin with your organization. You're having that NARCAN training for people in local communities. This afternoon, Riverview Police Department sending us a statement about an officer saving a man who had overdosed after being trained to administer that medication. So tell us how your program works.
Sure. So we actually, because of the pandemic, switched everything over to online training back in April. We used to do face-to-face. Since then, we really tried to meet people where they're at. So we've created these drive-through experiences, which take really 7 to 10 minutes of your time driving up to specific locations across Oakland County. We're providing it every single Friday, and people will be provided with the training and 2 doses of nasal NARCAN.
So, Julie, how do you get NARCAN? Is it over the counter? And if you do have it, should you attempt to use it on a victim if you're not
Sure.
properly trained?
Absolutely. We get ours through our relationship with Oakland Community Health Network, our community mental health authority. We are the contracted organization to provide that across the county for free. And you can get it by prescription as well. But with this, it makes it easy. You fill out a form, you take the training, and we release the NARCAN directly to you. So it's relatively easy to get from us. We do also provide refills, which I think is really important, especially if you have administered it and saved a life.
Is there one small thing that we need to know if you are going to administer it? Like, is there one emergency thing we should do or not do?
I'm going to give you 2. One is check if they're breathing, and the other one is always call 911. You want to get your emergency responders there as quickly as possible. The NARCAN will actually be effective in someone's system for 30 to 90 minutes. So it's really essential that they are met with emergency first responders so they can get them to the proper help that they need.
Can you talk to us about the resources that you can offer people who have drug problems? I mean, we know there's prevention classes. Tell us more about how you help.
So we actually, our entire organization is really focused on substance misuse prevention, recovery support, and wellness. So we do provide online recovery support 2 to 3 times a week and based on need. We also provide, obviously, the NARCAN trainings. We make connections even within the kit to make sure that you have every single possible number, access, and treatment support that you need within our county and within Southeast Michigan. So there is a lot of information out there, and I know it's daunting, but we've actually broken it down to make it really easy for individuals who are faced with this, that they can get the support that they need and save a life. Honestly, that's their goal here.
Well, we appreciate you, Julie, and all the work that you do to keep our community healthy and safe. Thank you for joining me to talk to me again tonight about this important subject.
Thank you so much.
Dave.